Hello everyone, welcome to AIM Academy Learning. Today we will see how to write online test. After opening the app, you can see these 5 options on the downside. Click on batches. After clicking on batches, you can see the batches which you have added. Click on any one. After opening, you can see the options like this: overview, attendance. Scroll to right side. Here you can see the test option. Open that. After opening, here are the tests. In our app, screen recording is not allowed, so we are using this method. Click on attempt. You can challenge your friends and attempt the test. If not, skip an attempt. Click on next. Read the terms and condition and agree to it. Attempt the test. Here are the questions. Answer it, and you have to click on save and next option. I am doing firstly. On the top side, you can see these 3 lines. Click on that to see which one you have answered and not answered. Answered questions are in green color and not answered questions are in red color. After answering all the questions, submit the test. It will show the time remaining, total questions and submit test. Here are the scores visible to you. And you can also see the solutions. Right answers, wrong answers, you can see the solutions here. That's it. Thank you, friends. Hello everyone, welcome to AIM Academy Learning. In this video, we will see how to rewrite the test which we have already attempted. So open batches, open the particular batch, open test option. So you can see I have already attempted this test, but I have got less marks. You can see here I got 8 out of 100 marks. So I want to write again and increase my scores. Click on reattempt option. In our app, screen recording is not available, so we will show you in different method. So click on reattempt option. So here is the previous report, and now we want to reattempt again. Click on reattempt. Read the conditions. Click next. Accept all the terms and conditions. So you can answer. Click on save and next. After doing all the questions, submit the test. You can see our score has increased. So you can see our score has increased. So you can do unlimited attempts and practice more and more to crack next exams. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to AIM Academy Learning. Today we will see how to check our online test performance. Open batches option. After opening, open the batch in which you have attempted the test. Scroll to right side, open test option and open the test which you have attempted and check your report. After opening, you can see this interface. Click on view report option. After clicking, it will show all your scores on what time you have completed your exam, all this. Thank you.